Hello student, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall study about reported speech part 3 an imperative sentence. So students, first of all you know that how many types of the imperative sentence. Let's start our topic. Students, if you can find in comma, inverted comma, it means in reported speech any sentence start first form of the verb, otherwise the sentence start do and do not. If sentence start please and kindly, otherwise the sentence start let and let us. So students, first of all you know that these are the imperative sentence. If you can find any reported speech, the sentence will be start and first form of the verb do ya, do not, please ya, kindly and let us. Then we can understand the reported speech related to the imperative sentence. Then question is this: how we can change the sentence direct to indirect? It is very easy students. With a few rules, with the help of the rules, we can easily change any sentence direct to indirect. So in reporting verb, what is the change in reporting verb? You know students, the reporting verb, it means the part of out of comma, inverted comma. Here we can find set and set to. Then we can change according to the feelings of the reported speech. Here we can find ordered, advised, if requested, in this type of the feelings. If we can't understand what is the correct feelings in reporting verb, then we can change asked. But first condition is this: you can understand the feelings of the sentence. If you understand what is the feeling of reported speech, now you can use this order, advise and request also. If our sentence start and reported speech let, then we can change said and said to asked. If our sentence start let us, then we can use suggested to. If proposed to is, we can also write here. Now it is the part of reporting verb. If you can find said, if said to, and another part, you can change order, advise, request. If you can't understand what is the correct feelings in reported speech, so you can use ask. If our reported speech start let, then we can use said and said to change into ask. And if our sentence start let us, then we can use said and said to, we can change suggest to, propose to. Both are correct. Both are correct. Selecting one. And now students, use the conjunction word. Conjunction word. Students, if our reported speech first form of the verb do ya, do not and please ya, kindly, therefore we can't use the conjunction word, but we can use before first form of the verb to here. It is a rule. And if our sentence start let, then we can use a conjunction word to, and our sentence start let us, then we can use conjunction word that. And the other changes is also, there were no changes in tenses. There are no changes in tenses, but pronoun and time and distance, time and for, if time and distance, they are same here. In a simple sentence we can also find that. In interrogative sentence we can also, there are the three major changes in reported speech: tenses, pronoun and time and distance. So here tenses, there were no changes, because after to we can use always first form of the verb, and after modals we can use after first form of the verb. So there were no changes related to the tenses, but pronoun and time and distance, these are the same rules. So student, it is very simple rules. Then how we can change the sentence direct to indirect? For example, we can find he said to me, comma, inverted comma, here the sentence, close the door. It is a sentence. Now second sentence is this: he said to him, comma, inverted comma, do this work. Now the third sentence, she said to her, now comma, inverted comma, do not play in the sun. It is a sentence. its sentence we can make the different two rules. Here we can write the two different rules, how we can change direct, indirect. We can also it's very important to note the point and note the example number 3rd. Now sentence, he said to him, comma inverted comma, let me go home. It is also a sentence in reported speech. And asked, she said to her, now comma inverted comma, let us play cricket. It is a sentence. So now students, you can find here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. They are also related to the imperative. Then question is this, how we can say that these are the sentences related to the imperative sentence? Because you can find any first form of the verb here. Now next, do this work. It is also first form of the verb because main verb here. Now don't play in the sun. It is also related to the imperative sentence in reported speech. If the sentence starts let and let us, and one more example we can find, she said to him, kindly help the poor. It is also a sentence. Then we can change direct to indirect related to the imperative sentence. So let me start the change the sentence direct to indirect. Here we can find he and said to change into ordered, advised, request. Students, you know that any sentence start the first form of the verb, we can understand here the feelings of ordered. So we can here said to change into O-R-D-E-R-E-D, ordered. Me, comma inverted comma, left in this place. Before first form of the verb, we can use here to. Then first form of the verb after to close the door. It is indirect speech. I think you understand very well. It is very simple sentence. Now the next sentence here, he said to him, do this work. It means it is also an imperative sentence. Then how we can change indirect? Said to change into do this work. It means as like as order. If you can't understand what is the correct feeling, so you can use here asked. It is also correct. But first of all, you understand the feelings of reported speech. So now here left in this place, comma inverted comma, here we can write him, and here we can use before first form of the verb to and do. This we can change into that. It is the changes of time and distance. It is very important. Now change this and change into that. One more thing students, you have do here is not a helping verb. In this place, do is a main verb. How we can say? Because the first form of the verb, main verb, it will do this work. It is not a helping verb, it is a main verb. So now we can change the sentence in indirect speech. The next sentence is this, don't. So first of all, we can use here see, advised, ordered. We can also use advised her, comma inverted comma, left in this place, and do it automatically left in this place. We can write here not, and here we can use to before first form of the verb, play in the sun. Students, you can find here, if we change the sentence in direct speech, the sentence is negative. We can also write here not, and before first form of the verb, we can use here to. Now the second rule is this, see, said and said to change into forbade. Forbade. It is a negative sentence, a negative word. It's highlighted the negative feelings in the sentence. So we can use see, forbade her, and here we can totally left in this place don't. And before first form of the verb, we can use to and play in the sun. I think you understand very well. Once more, if you can find the sentence start in reported speech don't, now we can change in direct. How many types? 2 types. First, we can use order, request, advice according to the feelings of reported speech. Otherwise, we can use forbade. When we use the forbade, we can't write not here. Otherwise, we can use here advice, order, request. It means we can use here not, and before first form of the verb, we can use to here. I think you understand. One more example we can find. He said to change into asked. Here students, you know that let it means a permission. So you are mostly students confused that which word in reporting verb we can write here. So students, it is correct. Said and said to change into asked. And after asked we can use him. One more important thing here. Here we can use to as a conjunction word. As a conjunction word, but here we can use to, not a conjunction word. Before first form of the verb we can use to here. It means infinitive. So here we can use as a conjunction word. He asked him to let. It means let and me. You know students, after let we can always use objective cases. It is very important. Especially for NDA, Navy, Air Force exam, these type of the questions put up in examination paper, and mostly students, there are some mistakes because after let we can use always first form of the word, and after let we can use objective cases only. So we can use here me, and me is the first person pronoun third form, and first person pronoun change into subject, and here is subject he. Because we left here the third form, so we can use here the third form in he. Now we can write here him. So let him, first form of the word, go home. It is a simple sentence, but here is an important rule. You can also notice the rule. Then student, if our sentence start, she said to her, let us play cricket. The sentence will be start let us. So it's very important rule. Students, if you can find any reporting verb I and me, so we can use let us change into we should. If we can't find I and EV, then we can change let us they should. Students, it is very easy rule. It means if we can find in reporting verb I and me, then we can change let us we should. If we can't find in reporting verb I and me, then we can change let us they should, and all the rules are same here. There were no problem. So we can use see and said to change into suggested to and proposed to. Only the sentence will be started. Mostly guides and other books you can find here let also, but I advise to you, if you can find the reported speech start let us, then we can change said and said to, suggested and proposed to. If you can find after said to here, then we can write here to, then he suggested to, a proposed to, both are correct. After to we can here use her, and what is the conjunction word? So conjunction word is that, and let us left in this place because here we can't find I and me, so we can change let us they should. Here we write they should play cricket. Students, it's very important. You know, in reporting verbs, said and said to change into suggested to and proposed to. One more thing. And second important thing, we can use as a conjunction word that. Otherwise, all the sentence we can't use the conjunction word that. But the reported speech start let us, then we can use the conjunction word that. And here we can't find I and me, so we can use they should. After modals we can use first form of the verb, and all the sentences are same here. If any changes related to the pronoun and time and distance as well as same here. And the last example here, if the reporting verb and reported speech start especially please and kindly, so we can change said and said to requested. She requested him, comma inverted comma left in this place. Here we can use that. And the student, it is the most important rule. If you can find any reported speech, please, kindly, we can left in this place when we change the sentence direct to indirect. So we can here we left in this place the kindly, and before first form of the verb we can use here to help the poor. It is very simple sentence. Now if any reported speech, your sentence start will be please and kindly. Then when we change the sentence in direct speech, we left in this place please and kindly, and before first form of the verb we can use here to. I think you understand the 5 and 6 example. It is very easy. Once more, what is the important things? Important things is here, if we can identify what type of the feelings of reported speech. If you can understand request, order, advice, it is better for you. Otherwise you can't understand what is the correct feelings of the sentence, then you can use asked. It is also correct, students. And the sentence start do not. Here we have the two rules and the two method, order, request, advice. Then we can write here not. Otherwise the sentence change in said and said to forbade. Forbade, it is a negative word, so we can't use here do not. It is totally left in this place. And the other sentence, he said to him and let. It's very important, students, because they all sentence they will be started the let. It means we can use as a conjunction word to here and let the same place. It is the easy and correct way how we can change the sentence. Use a conjunction word and all the rules same here. And after let we can also use objective cases. After let we can use also the first form of the verb. And now the sentence will be start let us. Then word 2 most important rule in reporting verb, if we can find I and me, now let us change into we should. If we can't find I and me here, so we can change let us, change it to they should. And after modas we can use first form of the verb. And the last sentence of please and kindly here, when we change in direct speech, please and kindly left in this place, we can use directly as a conjunction word here. Let him. Here are some mistakes, students. Here she requested him please and kindly left in this place, and before first form of the verb we can use it to help the poor. So students, I think you understand very well. It is very simple sentences and you understand. So I hope you understand the topic. If you like the topic, please subscribe and share your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind.